Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Curology subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your browser of your phone and simply type in curology.com. Upon doing that, you will be able to access the official website right over here, and afterwards all you have to do is simply log into your account. Simply log into your account. Afterwards you have to simply access this payment page of yours. There in the section, tap on this I want to cancel option for those subscription. Now you will be asked follow-up questions for you to confirm the cancellation. Go through it, answer them all accordingly, and then you will be able to simply tap on this cancel and reconfirm it, and then you will be able to cancel your subscription for Curology like that. You can also choose to cancel it via email. You have to simply send a request with account details to support@curology.com and you're good to go. And that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.